You rolling?
Yeah.
Okay, there's no raggedy hair?
No.
There's nothing in my teeth?
No.
And I don't look fat?
No.
Okay, then I'm ready. Hi everybody, thank you for watching Dana of All Trades. One thing you might not know about me is that I'm a little bit OCD. Whether that means color coordinating all my scrapbook paper or making sure every item in my house is faced like a grocery store, I love organizing. Today, I want to talk about how we organize drawers. Just having the stuff in the drawers is not enough organization for me. I like to have organization within my organizing. What's really helpful is that I just buy organizing tools. For example, our drawer in the kitchen that houses all of our lids, we use this accordion-like divider. So this is from IKEA. It was $8 and it's super simple but super impactful. Another thing we use from IKEA is a silverware tray. But not only do we use it for our silverware drawer, we also use it to organize our junk drawer. It's just a simple fork, knife, spoon tray, but now we're using it for our K-cups and our pens and just all the miscellaneous items. They all have a home. It makes it super easy for them to find. So not only is it organized and it looks clean, but it's also very helpful. Another great go-to for organizing drawers is boxes. So for our snack drawer, we just got these simple boxes from the 99-cent store and I just taped them in here. But now we can keep all of our snacks in a neat, clean, and orderly fashion. The thing about boxes is that they're great throughout the entire house. So we use it for storage in our closets or under the sink. We also use little tiny boxes to organize our underwear drawers, and I even use it in my makeup drawer. They're super impactful and really helpful, and you can find them for pennies. Those are just a few ways that I keep things neat, clean, and orderly. If you're a little bit OCD like me and you like to keep things super organized, why don't you try out these tips and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching Dana of All Trades. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment and like below. See you next time.